Stephanie. Welcome to Steffanies Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanies Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I have for you a video on how I make my mushroom powder. It's very, very easy to make, so if you would like to see how I make that, then stick around and stay tuned. So what I do is I buy these dried mushrooms. These are both shiitake, and I get them from the Asian grocery store. You may can find them in a regular grocery store, but I always go to the Asian grocery store, and you can either buy them where they're sliced like this or whole. And you can use these in other recipes. Say if you don't have mushrooms, or if you don't like to use a lot of mushrooms and they go bad, you're not able to buy them in bulk. You can buy them this way and soak them in water and then use them like you would regular. So this is what I have, and what I do is I have a little jar that I keep them in, and I'm out of it at the time, so I'm going to make a new batch. So I use my NutriBullet, and I use this blade here, and this is the blade like if you're going to chop up nuts or what have you. So I use this blade when I'm doing it. And it doesn't take a lot to make some, so I'm just going to use this pack. I'm going to use this pack since it's a little smaller than that bigger one. And I usually don't have to use the entire pack. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but it just depends on how much you're making, because it doesn't take a lot. And these just come packaged in these little plastic containers. You get right much in here. I think this maybe was like $2, and it comes with the little thing to keep it dry. So it's way cheaper than buying the pack in the store. You can find mushroom powder in your store. It's cheaper than doing that. And then it gives you some directions on the back as far as cooking instructions if you're going to cook them regular. And this keeps it dry, this little pack. So what I do is very simple, is that I take this and I will just put them in here, no particular way, seal it up, take my NutriBullet, okay, I think that is it. Yep, that is it. So I'm gonna let this settle for a minute so it all falls from the top. And I store it in this jar so that I can use it, because it has the holes. It was just a jar for some other seasoned Spice Island. I just save stuff to reuse it, and it's glass, so I like that, and it's easy to clean up. And I also bought some of these jars that I use because I make my chicken seasoning, and I put them in here, but I left that open so it's kind of got moisture in it. Or you can buy these canning jars and store them in these. I got these from my local grocery store. I usually use my label printer and make stickers so that I know what's in each other jar. So all I do, once it's finished, you see, it smells good. I just take this, and you can spoon it into this little thing, but I don't do that. I just get a funnel and put it in there. It's probably easier to put them in these. I got my little funnel, and I just pour it in there. And you can do this like if you have peppercorn. It may be easier, like with peppercorns, if you use a coffee grinder, but I don't have a coffee grinder because I don't drink coffee. And I still have some left because some was stuck at the bottom. But that's all that's going to fit in here. So since I have some left, I'm just going to put the rest of it in here. I had a smaller little jar, but I don't know what I've done with it. I'm going to have to make do with what I have. And just scrape the rest of it out from down off the side so that you can get all of it. Because the NutriBullet makes a little heat when you're grinding, it sticks to the sides a little bit. And see, that package made a full I don't know how many ounces this is. Probably about the same size as this one. So this is 2.8 ounces. So it's probably about the same thing, about 2 ounces. So it makes about 2 ounces ground up, and it was a 1 ounce package. So it made 2 ounces of seasoning. Well, ground mushrooms. It's a seasoning. And I use it in just about everything that I cook that I like mushrooms in. And like if you have dried onions, I buy dried onions sometimes and have them. You can do that if you want to make onion powder. Just anything you want to do. Just put it in here. Make sure it's airtight and save it. So yeah, that is it, guys. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.